Hi, I'm Romain Cerezel, and this is the challenge highlights about Task 4 on sound event detection and separation in domestic environment. The setup for Task 4 remains similar as previous year. We are dealing with 10 second audio clips, and we are targeting 10 sound event classes. For the training set, we have weekly level training set, a small weekly level training set, and a larger unlevel set. The idea is given a complex recording to perform sound event detection, so to detect what happens during the recording, but also when it does happen. One of the novelty for this year is that in this recording we usually have several events, possibly overlapping target event or overlapping target non-target event. This year we encourage participants to apply sound separation to separate explicitly the target event from the background, the non-target event, or the target event from one another, and then use sound event detection. Last year we also introduced synthetic soundscape using like isolated event from the free sound dataset, background from synth dataset and musen dataset, and we provided generated soundscape with a distribution in terms of event that is similar to that of the real data. This year we also provide the isolated event such that you can make your own soundscape and experiment and try to expand the synthetic training set we've been generating. So this year we had 21 teams participating overall and with 72 submissions. We had 4 teams who did try to combine sound separation with sound event detection, resulting in 7 submissions. If we look a quick look at the performance, we can see that the baseline here was improved by 15% over last year, and most of the systems have been outperforming the baseline. The best performance is 15% higher than the baseline, so we're now reaching about 50% F1 score with a progression of 10-15% in F1 score each year. If you are interested in Task 4, you can find a presentation from some of the participants in Lecture 5, Lecture 8, and also in the poster session you have a few papers. If you want to know about the baseline, you have Lecture 6 and also poster 17. I'd like to thank you for listening to us. I'd like to thank the participant for participating to our task, and if you want to know more about this, please join us on the specific channel for Task 4 and discuss with us. Bye.